Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Empowering Oracle box by Awakening from a box. This is my last witchy box for the month of August, which is my birthday month. So expect the monthly side-by-side very shortly. It is my first week of my first week back to grad school, so please be patient. There's a lot of homework. So I will get that up as soon as I can. So let's get started. My hand, I'm trying not to wear my brace, but I'm still not as strong as I used to be. But I can do everything except for grab, so that's pretty good. The art, I'll read that at the end. Got a little incense, a bowl, lavender incense sticks, let's see here. Ooh, pretty. It's wrapped up in some tissue. Oh, very lovely. Wow. Very pretty. So sparkly. And then these little teeth on the side are really cute. Very beautiful. So pretty. I'll put this here so you can see it. Amethyst. And then, of course, ooh, wait, we've got a free floater in here. Sorry, deck. Okay. Yeah, no grabbing. Alana Fairchild Lightworker Oracle, guidance and empower for those who love the light. Guidance and empowerment for those who love the light. At the end of the day, my talking abilities are gone. This deck is for those who feel an inner calling to connect with divine light and higher frequencies of consciousness to bring healing to the world. You can create a positive contribution to our planet, evolve spiritually, and develop your innate abilities to work with energy through different healing modalities, channeling, and communication with higher beings such as angels, ascended masters, and other spiritual guides. So you can help humanity shift from fear to love. You might already know you are a light worker, or maybe you wonder if you are meant to be a healer or guide for others on their spiritual journey. If you are attracted to this deck, then your soul is telling you that you are a light worker, and you have a life purpose that involves healing yourself and the earth. Lightworker Oracle is designed to support your deeper awakening, empower you, and encourage you to, I can't even see right there, but I feel that. I definitely am called to do those things, so let's look at the insert. Note from the curator. Welcome to the August Empowering Oracle box, tapping into your intuition. This box contains one oracle deck, one crystal, and 2 products, all focused around the theme. The deck included this month is a Lightworker Oracle deck. This deck is for those who feel an inner calling to connect with divine light and higher frequencies of consciousness to bring healing to the world. You can create a positive contribution to our planet, evolve spiritually, and develop your innate abilities to work with energy through different healing modalities, challenging and communicating with higher beings such as angels, ascended masters, and other spiritual guides. That sounds really familiar. You can help humanity shift from fear to love. Also in your box is a kyanite necklace and a beautiful incense holder and incense to help set the mood during readings. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for tips on using your new deck and crystal and inviting their abundant energy into your life. This note doubles as an art print drawn by our art director, Eli Valoroso. Cool, very cool. This was in a very nice box. It's, I believe, $34.99. I'll put it in the description just to be sure. There is a kitty cat in here, and it's not mine. So this crystal is beautiful, and both of these are wonderful and useful. I think I have a kyanite pendant very similar, but so I'll check my collection. And I like the deck and I don't have it so far. Well, I don't know if I like it. I'll be doing reviews on all the decks. I have so many at this point. But I'll be doing that in the upcoming months. It's just been, busy. Life is so busy. So this has been the Empowering Oracle Box by Awakening in a Box. Oh, yep. Empowering Oracle Box by Awakening in a Box for August 2019. Stay tuned for my monthly side-by-side and also my monthly collection video. I hope to get those up over the next few days. As well as my Key Beauty Project Pan update, my monthly update. And hopefully some other projects involving the astrology study group, and maybe showing some of my sacred spaces and some deck reviews. The sacred space is getting shelves right now, but it kind of got pushed aside with other things that we had to do for our family. So stay tuned for that. It's coming at some point very soon. And as always, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you feel so moved to, please comment, tell me what you think. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.